Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In this video, I'm going to give you an example problem regarding the Gauss-Jordan method. Like in the Gauss-Jordan method, we have two things, right? We can find the system solution for the system of equations, and also we can find the inverse. So basically, in this video, we are going to see how to find out the inverse of a matrix. Okay, so by applying the elementary transformation. So basically, how do you find out the inverse of a matrix? By using the formula A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A, right? So by using this, we will be calculating the inverse. So now what we are doing is, we are not using that formula. Instead, we are using the Gauss-Jordan method. That is, we are applying some elementary transformations, elementary row transformations, and finding out the inverse of this matrix. Okay, you know what to do in Gauss-Jordan, right? So first, you have to take an identity matrix of same order. This is a 4 by 4 matrix, right? So you have to take an identity matrix of order 4. Okay, so let's start the problem. So basically 0 2 1 3 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 2 0 1 2 6. Okay, this is our original matrix, and let us take the identity matrix here. Actually, you can take this way, or you can put this dots, or you can use this thing, or anything you can use. Okay, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. This is the identity matrix of order 4, right? Now see, what we will do is, first, what is our target? Our target is to make this one as an identity matrix. So in order to make this one as an identity matrix, we need 1 here, right? So we need 1. So in order to get 1, what can we do? You need to interchange R1 and R2. Since you can do only row operations here, you cannot do the column operations. Okay, so let us interchange R1 and R2. So on interchanging R1 and R2, what do you get? 1 1 minus 1 minus 2. Interchanging R1 and R2 is nothing but you are interchanging these both things. Okay, this will come here. 0 2 1 3. Next, 1 2 0 1 minus 1 1 2 6. Okay, done. So we have interchanged R1 and R2. The same has to be done to this identity matrix also. So interchanging and R1 and R2, what will happen? 0 1 0 0. This will become 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. R3 R4 as it is, they will be 0 0 0 1. Okay. So our next step is what? So our next step is to make these two as zeros. Making these two things as zeros is very easy. Why? Because 1 1, right? 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, and 1 plus 1 is also 0. So what you can do? The operations can be like this. Like R3 will become R3 minus R1, R4 will become R4 plus R1. Okay, so now let us see what is the updated thing we get. So R1 and R2 both same, so write both of them as it is. R3 minus R1, right? 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus of minus 2 is nothing but 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay, next, R4 plus R1, right? Minus 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 2 4. So let me check. Okay, 0 1 1 3 0 2 1 4. Fine. So we are done with this. Next, the same has to be applied here also, right? R1 R2 again, right? Same. 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. Next, R3 minus R1, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 again 0. R4 plus R1. So 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so this is what we got. So what is our next step? Our next step is to go to this column. In this column, what we should do, this should become 0, this has to become 1, 0 and 0, right? So now what we will do is, let us interchange R3 and R2. So why do we have to interchange R3 and R2? If you are interchanging R3 and R2, this 1 will come here, right? See, so let us interchange R3, R2. So if you interchange R3 and R2, what you will get? R1 will be same, right? So it will be 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2. This both are interchanged. So it will become 0, 1, 1, 3 and this becomes 0, 2, 1, 3. Got it? So because of this, what is happening is, you are getting 1 here and here also. This is what identity matrix, right? So you are getting ones. Okay, next step, R4 as it is you can write. So 0, 2, 1, 4. Next, what this identity matrix will become? 0, 1, 0, 0, interchange 0, minus 1, 1, 0 and this one will come in the third, right? 1, 0, 0, 0 and last one as it is 0, 1. Okay, next, now let us concentrating on making these two things as 0. So in order to make these two things as 0, what you can do? It is very simple. See, to make these two things as 0, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 you have to do, right? From where do you get that 2? 1 into 2. Okay, so you need to use R2. So what is the operation that you're gonna get? R3 will become R3 minus 2 R2 and R4 also same, R4 minus 2 R2. Okay, so now let us apply the operation for this matrix. So R1 R2 will be same as it is, write them as it is. 1 0, sorry, 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 0 1 1 3. Now R3 minus 2 R2, R3 minus 2 R2 is 0 again. Why not R1? So here R1 is also having 1, right? So why you have to not take R1 here is, see, if you are taking R1 here, 0 minus 2 into R1, 0 minus 2 into 1, it will become minus 2. So you will get minus 2 here. This will disturb. Right, we already got 3 zeros here. This will disturb. That should not happen. That is why we are taking R2. Okay, got it? Because in R2 we are having zeros. 0. Next, R3 minus 2 R2, right? So 0 minus 0, you got 0. R3, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Next, R3 minus 2 R2, R3 is 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So 1 minus 2, what do you get? Minus 1. Guys, do along with me. If you just listen to the video, you will not understand. Do along with me. Please do along with me. Next, R3 minus 2 R2. So what is R3? 3. 3 minus 2 into 3. 3 minus 6, which is minus 3 again. Okay, 0 0 minus 1 minus 3, correct. Next, R4 minus 2 R2, right? So 0 minus 0, again 0. Next, R4 minus 2 R2, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Next, R4 is 1, 1 minus 2 into 1. So what do you get? Minus 1 again. 4 minus 2 R2. So 4 minus 2 into 3, 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. Okay, so next, we need to apply the operations on this one, right? See, R1 R2 as it is, write them as it is quickly. 0. R3 minus 2 R2, R3 minus 2 R2. Do we have anything here? 0, right? So 1 minus 2 into 0 is obviously 1 minus 0, which is 1 again. Next, 0 minus, see, simple. Here we have R3 minus 2 R2, right? So R3 is 0, minus 2 into R2 is minus 1. 0 minus of minus is plus 1, right? So plus 2 you will get. Plus 2. Next, 0 minus 2 into 1. 0 minus 2, which is nothing but minus 2. Next, 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0 only. Done. Next, R4 minus 2 R2. R4 is 0, minus 2 R2 is 0 minus 0, again 0. Next, R4 minus 2 R2. R4 is 1 minus, again R4 is what? It's 1 minus 2 into minus 1. 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay, but yeah, 3 is correct. Next, R4 minus 0 minus 2 into 1, which is minus 2 again. Next, 1 minus 2 into 0 is 1 only. Okay, so what is our next target? Our next target is to make this thing as 0. So when you're making this one as 0, you can either use this or this, but you have to use only R3. Why? Because if you are using R2, what will happen? Here 0 plus 1 or 0 minus 1, whatever you do, the value here will change, right? So this should not change. So here we have both zeros only. Whatever operation you do, the value will not change, right? So to what do we say, to protect these zeros, we are not using R1 or R2, we are using only R3 to do this. Okay, so how do you use now what our operation will become? R4 will become R4 minus R3. Okay, so 1 to 3 rows will be as it is. 1 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0 1 1 3, and R3 also same, 0 0 minus 1 minus 3. R4 minus R3, right? 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, minus 1 minus of minus 1, which is minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 2 minus of minus 3, which is minus 2 plus 3, you will get 1. Okay, and same apply to this identity matrix also. So what do you get then? Which operation you are doing? R4 minus R3, right? So R1 2 3, write them as it is. 0 minus 1 1 0, 1 2 minus 2 0. R4 minus R3. So what is R4? 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 3 minus 2 1. Minus 2 minus of minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 0. Next, 1 minus 0 1. Okay, so this is what you get. So what is our next target? So our next thing is to make this one as 1. See, 1 1 1. So if we make just this one as 1, done. We will be getting the diagonals as 1. Next, what we can do is we can change these things to 0 later. So let us do that. So since here we don't have the space, I'm doing here. Okay, so what do we get? Let us see. Yeah, I think this will be enough. Okay, so now what operation shall we apply? So in order to make this one as 1, this is minus 1, right? You need to make it as plus 1. So how do you make it as plus 1? If you are multiplying with minus, minus into minus will become plus. So what we will do is R3 will become minus R3. So what you will get is 1 2 3 rows, 1 2 rows as it is. Write them first. 1 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0 1 1 3. R3 will become minus R3, right? So 0 0 as it is, minus zeros will not be there. So minus of minus 1 is 1 and minus of minus 3 is 3. R4 also as it is, 1. Okay, now what this identity matrix will become? Same, you have to apply. R3 will become negative, all the others same. 0 1 0 0, 0 minus 1 1 0. This will become minus, which is nothing but minus 1 minus 2, minus of minus 2 is plus 2, 0. R4 as it is, minus 1 1 0 1. Okay, okay, so what is our next? So now let us see, this all made zeros, diagonal is 1. Now our target is to make this. So whatever numbers I'm rounding off, we need to make these numbers as zeros. That is our target for now, right? So now let us see how to do that. First, R1. In R1, what has to make this one? We should make this one as 0, right? So you can do the operation with R4. See, wait, don't get confused, I'll tell you. R1 will become R1 plus 2 R4. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2, what will happen? You'll get 0, right? So minus 2 plus 2 into R4. Next, R2 will become same, R2 minus 3 R4. Next, R3 will become R3 minus 3 R4. Why we are doing the operations with R4 only? Because we have zeros here, so that these values will not change. This ones will not change when we are doing the operation. Got it? If we are doing it with instead of R4 we are using any other rows, this ones may get disturbed, these zeros may get disturbed. Since we are having all zeros here, only we are having 1 here, right? So except this 3 values, nothing will get disturbed. So now let us see. So R1 will become R1 plus 2 R4, right? Which is into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 you have to do and add. So these 3 into 2's same, 0 only will be there. So these 3 will be as it is. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, minus 1 plus 0, as it is they'll be. So what you will get? 1, 1, minus 1, and this one. Now see, minus 2 plus 2 R4, which is minus 2 plus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0. Okay, next, this one also, these 3 will be same since these 3 are zeros. 0, 1, 1. So what this one will become? R2 minus 3 R4, right? R2 is 3. 3 minus 3 R4. What is R4? 1. 3 minus 3, 0. Next, R3. R3 also, these 3 will be same as it is because these 3 are zeros. 0, 0, 1. And same, R3 minus 3 R4. 3 minus 3, 0. R4 is as it is, no changes in R4. 0, 0, 0, 1. Close it. Now apply the same 3 operations to this matrix as well. So R1 will be R1 plus 2 R4, right? R1 plus 2 R4. 0 plus 2 into minus 1. You will get minus 2. So yes, minus 2. And again R1 plus 2 R4. 1 plus 2 into 1. 3. Next, 0 plus 2 into 0 is again 0 only. 0 plus 2 into 2. Okay, next, R2 minus 3 R4. So here we have minus, right? Be careful whenever we are doing row operations or column operations. Plus operation we can do it easily, but minus, be a bit careful. I know the video is becoming very long, but be patient. R2 minus 3 R4. R2 is 0 minus 3 into minus 1, minus of minus plus 3. Next, R2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 3 into 1. This is 1 only, not minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 into 1. Minus 1 minus 3. Minus 4. 1 minus 3. It's 1 same. 0 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Next, R1 done, R2 done. R3. R3 minus 3 R4. R3 is minus 1 minus 3 into minus of minus 1 plus 3 you will get, right? No, wait. Cool. Sorry. R3 is minus 1 minus of 3 into minus 1 plus 3. You will get 2. Next, minus 2 minus 3 into 1. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus 5. 2 minus 3 R4 is 2. 0 minus 3 into 1. Minus 3. Okay, the R4 will be as it is, minus 1, 1, 0, 1. Now next what you have to do, so let's identify 1, 1, 1, 1 done. This and this, these 3 things should become zeros, so that we are done with the problem. Now what we will do is, we are applying these 2 operations. R1 becomes R1 plus R3 and R2 becomes R2 minus R3. So let us apply. R1 is R1 plus R3, right? R1, R3. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 again. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. R2 minus R3. R2 is R2, 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. R3, R4 as it is. 0, 0, 1, 0. 0 0 0 1. Okay, now let us apply the same to this matrix as well. So what this matrix will become, r1 r2 only you have to make changes, r3 r4 directly you can write. R1 is r1 plus r3, minus 2 plus 2 0, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. R2 is r2 minus r3, right? 3 minus 2 1, minus 4 minus of minus 5 is minus 4 plus 5, which is 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 3 minus of minus 3 you will get 0. Right, next r3 r4 as it is, 2 minus 5 2 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 1. Okay, next. So what is our next target? We are almost done with the problem. If we make this one as 0, set. So how do you make that as 0? The operation that you are going to apply is r1 becomes r1 minus r2. Okay, why? R1 minus R2, if you do 1 minus 1 0, no value will change, 0 0 0, right? So other values will be same, only this thing will change. So R1 minus R2, right? 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, all the three same. 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So this is the matrix, and let us apply the same to here also. 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus of minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1 as it is, and the other three will be same. 1 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 5 2 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 1. Okay, so this is the matrix that we got, right? Now see whether we got the identity matrix here or not. Yes, we got 1 1 1 1, so it is identity matrix I4. And what is the corresponding matrix we got here? This is the A inverse. So A inverse is equal to this. In the exam at the end, write a step like this: A inverse is equal to so and so matrix. Okay, so this is all about this video. I know the video has become very long. Single problem I've explained for almost 20 minutes. So just understand that this problem is very important, and this is how you have to solve this problem. I hope you guys are clear about this. In the next coming video, let's meet up soon with the other topic. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you're still having any doubts, let me know in the comment section.